Hi Bobby, my name's Nick. I work with Dane Manufacturing out of the Madison, Wisconsin area, and I head up their business development division of the company and primarily work on inbound sales efforts. So I do a lot of researching of a lot of different companies, trying to match values with Dane's values and company culture, mission, and sort of the implicit things that happen in a business. And we're always looking for the right fit, whether it be with our customers or with our vendors. So when I came across MultiStack, I recognized the name, having grown up on the west side of the state, and I believe I even played hockey with some of your coworkers. So I knew right away that there's a good opportunity for a fit, and I hate sending cold emails and making cold phone calls, so I thought this is an easier way. Just send you a little video so you can meet me, and following this will be a short little clip of all of our manufacturing capabilities. It's about 30 seconds. So thank you in advance for watching. We really appreciate it. And from all of us at Dane, we hope to hear from you and your team shortly. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.